Like when I met si Bossing, kasi whenever we have a new brand ambassador in Sunday, I keep it a point, before we invite him to be part of the company, gusto ko munang ibenta sa kanya yung kumpanya. Because I don't want the brand ambassador na mag-join tama si Bossing just because of the talent fee. So binibenta ko muna sa kanya, ito yung Sunday, this is how we started, this is our product, this is where we are going. If nakikita mo na makakasama ka namin for a long time, then you can be part of Sunday as our brand ambassador. So ganoon ako lagi. And nakita ko nung first meeting namin ni Bossing, I think yung advocacy nag-align eh. Sabi ko hindi mahihirapan kasi it's more than promoting the product. It's really highlighting the beauty of the entire company. Kasi ang Sunday naman, honestly, hindi naman namin binibenta lang yung produkto. No questions asked, the product is really good. But we're selling the entirety of the business, including Sunday as a company, because you would like the world to buy this company. Pag binili kasi ng buong mundo yung kumpanya, the product will always follow. And we always believe with the product. Kaya natutuwa kami kasi nung